better at wave.
Oh, what the hell? I just did it again.
Do not think you're getting better at wave from Sakupen Hell. It's literally just luck based.
It is. It feels so luck based.
I really wish it were like wave skill, but you know, because then I would actually be not bad at wave. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I would have beat Catalyzed by now.
Sakupen soft waves.
Yeah, the best level ever, right?
Horrible right now.
I mean, it's not bad.
Oh my god, I fluked it! I fluked it!
What?
Oh my god, I fluked it!
I'm sorry, what? No.
No way! No
Yeah, you
way!
being serious?
I actually did it. I'm on the stream.
Bro,
What?
what the fuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You beat?
No!
What the
Oh my
hell?
god.
What was that a fluke from?
42!
Like a freaking 42.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Wait,
Oh,
No
shit.
way.
god! I'm actually
Yeah.
tinkling!
What the fuck? Wait, send me his Twitch. Send me his Twitch.
Oh my god!
There's no way.
Bro, oh my god.
Oh my god!
What?
there, yeah, it's already enough. No way.
I'm sorry, what?
No way, dude.
No.
No way.
You just, what the fuck?
There's
How did I just beat Sunset? How did I do it?
Oh my god.
I'm about
And
to
you're
pass
okay,
out!
dude.
I'm actually gonna pass out, dude! I'm actually
Holy
not
shit.
joking, my hands are tingling so much.
Oh my god, man.
Oh my
That was
god.
so well deserved.
What the fuck?
that is.
EJ.
Dude.
EJ.
Oh my god.
Viewer.
This is
That was
literally the
insane.
luckiest thing I've ever had.
Get bumped.
New hardest, guys.
Oh
New
my
hardest,
God.
like,
Oh my god. I really do not feel like I deserve that, but whatever, man.
Yeah.
Hydrate.
Oh my
Everything.
god.
Yeah, I'm gonna hydrate. Okay, oh my god.
I was here. I was actually here.
I was here.